Come on, Wilson. Uh-oh. Take him back. Daddy's going to take him back. He's going to do it again. Come on. Come on. Yay! And he get up by himself. Look at that. Oh, he fall right back down. And he's up. He can't do it. So I need some help. Come on. Uh-oh. He's such a big boy.